2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.